good, y'all? My name is Akira, and today we're talking about how to start a baking business. So a baking business is something that's been super popular topic right now, and I wanted to teach you guys things you can do to make your business legitimate. So whether you're selling treats, candy cupcakes, candy strawberries, candy grapes, you're doing Oreos, baby shower treats, whatever you are going to do, this video is going to help you make a legitimate business for your bakery business. We're going to talk about how to formate your business with the LLC. We're going to talk about how to brand your business, make a menu, and how you can make your business stand apart from others. So let's get into it and show you how you can make your baking business legitimate and amazing looking, all at home, DIY, all do it yourself. Okay guys, so the first thing that you want to do to make your business legitimate is to get legal formation. And my suggestion would be to get an LLC that protects your assets from your business assets and allows you to go ahead and move forward with your baking business. Now, I have tons of different LLCs, and my favorite place to get them is with ZenBusiness. You can literally go on their site and do a DIY formation of your LLC. They are a great company and they walk you through step by step in order to get your LLC. Not only can you get your LLC with ZenBusiness, but you can get a website, you can get your EIN, and you can get a business banking and tons of other things that are going to help you along with your baking business. So ZenBusiness is my preferred site for LLC, and I'll link it up above here. I have a whole video of taking you through step by step on how you can format your LLC, so you can do that along with me, and there'll be a link down below to help you get started. So that is the first step into making your baking business legitimate, and I think that is going to be, it's so easy to do, and I think it's going to be the first thing that makes you feel like, yes, this is my business and this thing is going to be amazing. Okay, so we're at the Canva homepage, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make labels and menus for your brand. So we're just going to go ahead and search labels under templates, and I'm going to do round labels because I think round labels are really great for like bakery products and things like that. And here you can see all the amazing options that Canva has. And they also have a feature now where you can do like a search for a certain type of design or insert a design that you like, and they can kind of show you something similar. So again, guys, they have all types of labels that you can really use to customize and make your own, and you can feel confident that you won't see anyone else's label like this. So I have my labels starred in the ones that I wanted to use. So I ended up using this water bottle sticker to make my label. So this is what it started out as, and I'm going to skip over and show you guys what I did with it. So this is how it started out. I just did a few things like delete the little smiley face on here. I searched up in the elements a cupcake, and just added a cupcake in the middle. If it would add it, added a cupcake in the middle, changed a few of the colors, changed the fonts to say like Kara's Cakes, and just did a few simple things like that to customize my label. So I took it from this to this, Kara's Cakes. Very simple, very easy. Took me less than, I would say, 30 minutes to come up with this design, and I really, really love it. So let's pop over to show you how you can get a menu started as well, because that's super easy as well. So we're going to go back to the Canva homepage, and we're going to search menus. And we're going to go through the menu templates. And they have tons of different menu templates that you can choose from. Especially these, I love like this more modern, updated style that they have. And there's so many different, if you don't want to go with the fun, funky style, they have elegant, they have all different types of styles. And you can really find something that fits your needs. I'm going to go and pick out the menu that I used, and I really love this. So this is the menu that I use, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the menu that I came up with back in my home settings. So this is, okay, let's flip back and forth again. This is how the menu came, and this is the menu that I came up with. Big menu treats for Kara's Cakes, and then we're going to switch the name real time so you guys can see how easy this is. Kara's Cakes. I changed a few of the colors. I added a baked good on here. I put the cookies and all my pricing for my cookies and stuff like that. And just like that, you're able to make custom labels and menus for your brand that make you look super professional, even if you're just an online brand. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you how you can brand your business and make it look legitimate. So don't you think that if you see Kara's Cakes on display that would be like, that looks like a fun, kitschy a bakery treat that I would like to eat. So now I'm going to show you how branding is so important. I'm going to show you a branded cupcake and a non-branded cupcake, just so you guys can see the true difference on how much branding and making your labels and making a menu can really bring your business together. So let's get into that and show you exactly how you can make your how branding affects your brand. So I cut out my carrot cakes label with my Cricut and had it cut using sticker paper, and I just want to show you the difference. Like, obviously this is a store-bought cupcake, but I want to show you the difference when I add my labeling to this cupcake versus the store-bought one. And you see how carrot cakes, it just makes it, how much would you pay for this cupcake versus how much would you pay for this cupcake? That's why it's really great to invest in a Cricut, so you can make your own custom labels without having to go out and purchase them, and you can make any tweaks and any size changes that you need same day versus like purchasing labels where you have to purchase so many different labels up front. So how much, let me know down below, how much would you pay for this cupcake versus just adding a sticker on, and how much would you pay for this cupcake? I think they give off two completely different vibes, and I think the Kara's cupcake, it would be the one that I would grab on the shelf. So again, get you a Cricut. I have a video I'll link as well on all the different items that you can use your Cricut for in your business. So let me know what you think about these two cupcakes, and would you go with Kara's cakes or would you go with vanilla cupcake? Okay guys, so we have done it all. I showed you how to format your business with the LLC using ZenBusiness. Don't forget to check out my link down below or my full video on how you can format your LLC yourself at home. We also taught you about DIY branding and menu creation, because that's super important for a baking business to kind of bring everything together, and how you can also use an item like a Cricut to create custom branding for your cupcakes, treats, Oreos, cookies, whatever you're going to be making. You can add your custom branding to it so that your business can stand out in a crowd. So I hope this video was helpful to kind of bring it all together, because I can't help you with the baking, but I can help you with the business portion of this and how you can bring it all together to start your baking business, brand it properly, and get started on the right foot. So let me know down below if you have any questions or you want help with the direction on what way you should take your baking business. I'm always here to help and love to answer your questions down in the comments. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.